So when you open your Canva, you click on this plus button down, and you click on it, you click on custom size, then make the custom size 1230 by 1280, then create new design. Once it opens, it's going to be like blank like this. So you click on the plus button, then click on text and click on add a subheading. After adding a subheading, we're going to edit it by typing SM visual. Then after that, we are going to tap on it again and click on font and search for shrink hand. Yes, search for shrink hand. Then when you see it, you click on it, it's going to appear like this. Then I'll adjust this to the top. After adjusting to the top, I'll scroll to where I'll see effect, and click on that effect and go to shape and click on curve. Then I can adjust it to 10. So when I adjust it to 10, I'll exit it and click and adjust it as well. So after adjusting, I'll click on copy and drag this down with that plus button. Then go back to effects again and go to shape. Then I'll curve it backward by putting it on -10. Then after that, I'll resize it, or I'll change it. Yes, I'll resize it. And after that, I'm just going to click on edit and put data deals. And once you're done, you search or you scroll to nudge, you click on the nudge, then you can use it to move it to wherever I want to move it to. And after that, click on the empty space that is there, click on plus button, then go to upload, and I'll click on the stock image which I want to bring to my flyer. Adjust the stock image to look bigger, then push it to the side, then click on the plus button again, then move to design or element, then look for shape and click on the cycle. Then use this to make the shape look like an egg shape. Then I'll use this to rotate it and put it to the back of our stock image. After resizing, I'll click on these 3 buttons. Then to open up this toolbox, then I'll scroll to where I'll say send to back. You click on send to back, and this is how it's going to appear. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on the plus button again. Then I'll click on upload to upload my background. Then I'll click on this my background here and enlarge it to fill the screen or to fill the Canva. So after enlarging it, I'm going to click on the 3 buttons as well, then send to back. You can see our image has appeared at the front. So I'll scroll to where I'll see transparency, click on transparency and reduce the transparency till it's almost faint. Then after that, I'll exit this. Then I'll add color to my text. Click on color, then click on the plus button and click on this as well. Then add my color code in this highlighted area. Then I'll click on cancel. Then I'll do the same thing to my data deal. Clicking on color on the plus button. So I'll scroll to where I'll see effects. Then I'll double tap on this shadow. Then move down to where you see this color, blue color. You click on this color, then put it as black. Then also increase the transparency to the last. Then this direction, you move it to like let's put it as 24 and cancel it. Then I'm going to do the same thing for my data deals. Then I'll click on my stock image, then scroll to where I'll see layers. You can see layers, then you tap on these layers to bring it out like this. Then you click on your shape, which is at the back of our stock image, and click on color to apply the same blue color which we did for our font. So you can see we're halfway to making our flyer. Click on the plus button again and go to element and click on this rounded shape. Then I'll go back and click on it again and resize it. So after resizing it, I'm now going to duplicate it by clicking on this copy up to 3. Then I'll move it down to where they are supposed to be placed. And see the lines are showing, they are showing you how straight it's going to be, so you don't have to worry about the neatness of the flyer. So I'll click on text, then click on add a little bit of body to text. Then I'll type best data plug, then move it up beneath the data deals. And I also click on it to add fonts, then click on fonts, then you search for this font that is on the screen. So after that, I'll tap on it, and after applying it, click on the cancel, then click on our shape, or you reduce the size rather. Reduce the size. Then I'll click on this our shape that is here, the first one that is there. Then I'll click on color and click on the plus button. Then the highlighted part, I'll put in my yellow color code. So after putting it, I'll do the same thing for the rest that are here. Then I will click on the plus button to upload our network icon. Then I'll click on style. Then this corner rounding, I'll increase it to as much as possible. Then after increasing it, I'll click on cancel. Then I'll use this to reduce it till it becomes a cycle. Then I'll move it to the top of my shape. So I'll use this notch button to move it because it's very small, so I'll use the notch button to move it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on copy, then I'll go back to where I'll see replace, click on replace, then I'll click on the next icon. So after clicking on next icon, I'll use the notch button or this button to move it to this place. So after that, I'm going to click on copy again and do the same thing for the rest. So after that, I'm going to click on the plus button, click on text, and click on add a little bit of body text. Then I'll edit it, go to my notepad, and click and copy this text that I've written down here. Copy it and go back to my Canva app and paste it there. Then watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to resize this to fit into this box. So I'll move to where I'll see spacing, click on spacing, then this line spacing, I'm going to increase the line spacing till it's perfect, and click on cancel. After clicking on cancel, I'll use the notch button to move it, let it fit in inside, and if it doesn't fit in inside, you can as well adjust the shape to make it bigger, or you can reduce the text size, anyone you want to do. Then after that, I'm going to click on this text, then click on duplicate or copy, then move it to the next shape that is here. Then I'll click on edit. Then I'll go back to my notepad again and copy the text that is there, then move to the Canva and paste it here. Then I'll do the same thing for Glow and 9 Mobile. So when you are done, you click on this MTN icon, click on the 3 button above it, then you click on select multiple, then you click on the shape, then you move to where you are going to see group. You click on group. So I'll take that again, tap on this Airtel icon, click on the 3 button, tap on select, then you tap on the shape, then move to where you are going to see group. You click on group. Then I'll do the same thing for my Glow and 9 Mobile. So after that, I'm going to add the last few texts for this flyer. So after adding the color to this, I'll move to format, click on format, then click on the B to make it bold. Then I'll copy this, I'll duplicate this, I'll move it down to this, to under the stock image. Then I'll click on edit, then copy and paste contact info here. So I'll click on contact to make 3 duplicates of this contact info. Then I'll move it to where I'm going to edit it. So I'll click on this second contact info and place other services and do the same thing to the third one. Then I'll go back to this contact info again and make 3 duplicates again. And I'll move it to make payment, then move the second one to other services. Then this contact info, I'm going to drag it down, then click on edit and paste my number. Then I'm going to make the number black. I'm going to give it a black color. Click on color and paste, make it black. Then I'll go to the other services as well and make it black, then edit it. Edit it as TV subscription. Then after that, I'll go to this other place, make payments, the contact info. I'll paste in what I have there and I'll make it black. So I'm going to group my contact info and my number together. After grouping it, I'm going to move it down to be in line with the other services. In my stock image, I'll make it a little bit bigger. Then I'll scroll to where I'll see layers. Click on the layers. When it's open, you click on your shape, increase the shape, then click on cancel and readjust the shape. After readjusting the shape, we click on the text, add a subheading, click on the number key, then add this slant key or the slant button. Then when you are done adding so many of it, then you can click on it and use this to move it to stand straight or vertical. Then I'll move it to the stock image. Then click on the 3 button and move it, send it to back. When you send it to back, you copy it again, then click on edit, then tap X. After typing the X, you move it to this space here. And after moving to this space, you reduce the font size like this. All these are just to give the flyer a very nice design. So afterwards, you're going to click on the plus button, click on elements, click on the shape, any shape, or this box shape. Then adjust the shape to look small like this. Then move it down to our stock image. and after adjusting it to make it white, then you search to where you are going to see transparency. You click on transparency and reduce the transparency to 90. This is just to make the stock image blend with our flyer. So I'll click on this download button to download the flyer to our gallery.